for the line dance to the door. Okay, so we're going to start moving forward with toe struts with your right foot. Toe, heel, left. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to do a K-step, and that's when you step to an angle to the front and then back, and then to an angle to the back and back. So it's step together, then step back, step together, then to the back. Step together, step together. And then the next part of the dance, we're going to just point our foot out to the side while turning a quarter turn. So it's point, together. Then we do the same thing on our left foot, still facing the same direction. Point, together. Then we're going to do a jazz box. It's actually a jazz box cross. So what the difference is, instead of just doing your jazz box, you're going to, instead of ending together, so what that looks like from the front would be a jazz box or jazz square. Instead of the putting your feet together, like I said, you're going to go the jazz box, step, then cross left over right with your weight on your left. So those parts together are toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Then point, turn, point together, jazz, box, cross. Okay? And so we ended then with our weight on our left. So we're going to do a little Lindy step, which is just side, together, side. Then rocking back on our, we're going to put our weight on our left foot. So rock back left, recover right, then do the same thing to the left. Left, together, left, rock back, and recover. And then the whole dance starts again. So then it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Point with the turn together, point together, jazz box cross, step together, rock back, step together, rock back. Okay, and then on this time I'll put the counts in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so one last time. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Point together, jazz, square or box, cross, Lindy, and Lindy.
So used to
dance steps for the line dance 2 broke. It starts with a side together, side, touch to the right, then to the left. Side together, side, touch. Then we're moving forward, we're gonna do a toe strut, and it's just you're gonna put your toe down, then you drop your heel. So toe, heel, okay? And then from here, we're going to do a jazz box, but we're gonna turn to the right. So jazz box, okay? And then that was our wall change. And then, now you can do something called a jazz box cross, which is in the other Teddy Swims line dance to the door. And then that one is with the rotating, you'd be rotating to the right, but I'll just show it this way. So what it is, instead of the jazz box, where you put your feet together at the end, you can go jazz box with a cross, where you end up on your left foot. Either one works. Some people find it easier just to do a regular jazz box. So those parts together would be side together, side touch, side together, side touch, toe strut, toe strut, jazz box with the quarter turn to your right. Then we're going to do a Lindy, which is side together, side, then rock back and recover. Side together, side, rock back and recover. Okay, and now the last part of the dance is you go kick, ball, change, step on an angle to the front, then step back. So that's the whole dance. Couple things. The kick, ball, change, for people that are not used to it, it can be a little challenging. So what it is you kick on your right foot, then you bring it back and you step down on it while switching the weight. So kick, step on the ball of your foot, and then that's the change. So kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Now, if you can't get that, you can always go front and back, front and back. A lot of my beginners, they find that easier than worrying about the kick, ball, change, and it keeps them in time with the music. So, the whole dance one more time would be side together, side touch, side together, side touch, toe strut, jazz square or box, side together with the rock back and recover, side together, rock back, recover, kick, ball, change, step together, step back. Another variation you can do is you can go step together. You tend to move a little bit more. I usually teach it as the step together and then stepping right back. Okay, so then facing this wall, side together, side touch, side together, side touch, toe strut, jazz square or box, Lindy step, which is this, kick, ball, change, step together and step back. Okay, one more time. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch, toe strut, jazz square, side together, rock back, side together, rock back, kick, ball, change, step together, step back. Okay, now on this last wall, I'll add in the 8 counts. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your second set of 8 counts will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your third set of 8 counts adds in an and count. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then your fourth set of 8 counts, if there's another and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is one last thing that I wanted to mention about this dance. There are 2 restarts after wall 2 and wall 6, where what that just means is you just go right back to the start of the choreography. So I believe the lyric, he says 1, 2, 3. You'll hear him in the song, but I did want to call your attention to that. The restarts are in there to keep you in time with the music. So if you found these tutorials helpful, I would love it if you subscribed. Thanks.
so used to